What's up guys, welcome back to Noble Garage. So, Wagon's back in the shop. We got a bunch of things to do on it today. First off, I want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed. I really appreciate all the support. It makes making these videos worthwhile. So let's get started. First up, what we have to do is mount this battery in the back. So earlier today I went to the wreckers and I cut this piece here out of a cobalt. So just drilled out all the spot welds. So it's going to go in this corner here. I'm going to do a few welds along this and bang that in, a couple welds to hold it in. And then I have the battery strap, and then the battery will be finally held down in the trunk here. So I'm going to get going on that and I'll show you what I have to do. I also picked up these strut bars and they're a little rusty, so Andrew's going to clean them up and give them a coat of black paint. Bit of a progress update. So I have it all welded in here and a coat of primer on it. That's just drying right now, and then I'm about to put some paint on. We got these all cleaned up. This one came up pretty good, but it took a lot of work and the paint's on there pretty thick. So what we're going to do is get them powder coated, because it's going to be too much work to get all this rust off and sand all the paint off. So just powder coat them and then they'll be good. So we're going to move on to doing the rear brakes. So I did buy drums. They're a lot cheaper. I didn't want to do the rear disc conversion right now. So we're just going to paint these up and then we'll move on to installing them. So we have one side done. I forgot how awful drum brakes were to do. So that probably took the good part of 45 minutes. So hopefully we can do the other side a lot quicker now that we know where all the springs go and how to get them on and off. So we're gonna go over to the other side now. So the car's all put back together now. The new drums on. They may still be drums, but they're not rusty and they're black and they just hide back there. So they're an absolute pain to do, but they're done. And that'll do the car till I can do the rear disc upgrade. Also got the rear battery mount all finished up. So it's just got a strap across the top, ties it down. Negative cables there, positive runs from the front of the car. Battery's in there good. Already went for a test drive and it doesn't move, so that's a relief. We also just started cleaning up the hood, so if you remember there were a bunch of rust spots on here, so we've sanded those down to bare metal. There's tons of pitting all over the hood, so we're gonna need to sand most of it, but it's getting late, so that'll have to be next weekend. Alright guys, that's it for this time. We got quite a bit of work done, got the battery mount done, the rear brakes, started on the hood, figured out the strut bars. I have a new wrap for the whole car ordered, so on the next video you'll see what the new color will be, and we're going to start prepping all the panels to be wrapped. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Take it easy.